Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to add a checkout page to your Squarespace website? In this video, we will walk you throughout creating and personalizing a checkout page that matches your brand. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing guys is to go ahead and open squarespace.com. As you can see right here, go ahead and open it, click on products, and you can simply just log in case you had your account ready to be used. The same as I have it already ready to be used, so I'm just gonna sign in. There go. And now I'm going to simply create a new site, which I will have to delete one so I can create a new one. Therefore, I'm going to click now on create new site. And what I'm gonna do right here to make stuff easier for me is within the type I'm going to choose online store, and within the topic I'm going to choose something that has anything to do with business. So you can, for example, choose food, you can choose anything that can help you with business, restaurants, anything. So I'm gonna go with the restaurant as an example, and you can choose this one. We can choose colors. Let me change that. This is not a PNG file. Alright, so at least we got that. Let me just go up and down. Alright, this seems to be nice. Let me just go to the menu, reservation, and yeah, that's pretty much what I need. Starts with this design. I glitched a little bit, so yeah. There we go. Now we have the website ready. We just have to finish it up with a name. So let's give it a good name. Tutorial checkout page. Let's name it something like that. Click on next, and get started. Now let's go ahead into the settings, and in the settings we have to add the actual billing. We have to add the payment information, because in this payment information we can add our card where we are going to receive the money later on from our orders. Also here in the setting you have to add a couple of things, but the most important one is the checkout. So customize checkout page, newsletter, sign up, store policies, receipts, details, and more. So let's click on it. As you can see, checkout on your domain is enabled. So your customers will be directed to a secure checkout on your domain instead of https://securesquarespace.com. To continue using this feature after your free trial, subscribe to the Commerce Basic or Advanced plan so you can keep the actual checkout page working for you. Now, the first thing is we're gonna go through all of this, so let's go through them step by step. Now, we need to have abundant checkout recovery. Now basically what it means, let me just go for example on amazon.com, and let me just yeah, we can find it right here. So here, as you can see, there is already number one on my cart, even though I didn't really add anything within this video. I just opened Amazon right in front of you guys, but Amazon cart has remembered my product that I have chosen to add, which is the iPad pencil 2nd generation with magnetic wireless charging. This one I have added like, I don't know, like a month ago or something like that, but still the cart has kept it within it. So with that, you might play on the mindset of the clients and make them like, maybe sometime he opened your site by accident, he finds something on his cart, he opens it, and yeah, he remembers that he actually needs it, so why not, let's just buy it. And as you can see, this might actually make your sales go higher and higher. So always make sure to turn it on, especially when you see like big websites such as Amazon using it, then it is a very huge thing to add. Now there is the minimum order amounts. This one, for example, let's say like before you get to the checkout page, you have to reach an amount of money so we can actually provide the utilities to send you or to ship for you this product. For example, if you couldn't reach the $100 like minimum cost, you will not be able to buy from our websites. This is something that is very bad as beginners. I don't really like I don't really encourage you guys to add it. Now there is a quantity for services. Let customers buy multiple services product by showing the quantity field in the purchase flow. This is also good. So for example, I'm gonna use Amazon a lot today so I can give you examples because Amazon is the best on the field. So here on Amazon I can choose here quantity. Maybe one is not enough. Maybe I can add two of them. So you can click here, and now I have two iPad pencil that are gonna be shipped to me, and this is the subtotal of these products. So this is something that's usually important. It can boost your sales a lot, and it will help you 100%. Here we have the receipt details, so customize price and tax details on your receipt based on local requirements. Checkout page. Here we have the checkout page, which has email sign up settings, so you can customize the sign up checkbox and add additional storage options. So this is very important also, and it will help you a lot. So this one basically is gonna give you some contacts with your clients, and at the same time you can use these so you can make some marketing thing, so you can actually send them news, send them offers, make contact with the clients, so you have like a future client. Like he orders from you once, he can order from you twice. Why not? He can even order from you multiple times until like he gives up or he gets out of money. So here we have also a couple of things that might be important, such as additional fields. So you can add here collect with shipping address. If enabled, a phone number field will be visible in the shipping section, which is important, and it will be required also, because you cannot ship something to someone without having his phone number. You have to check, hello, are you the guy X from my company who ordered an apple? Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. So you can be safe from frauds, and at the same time you can ship to the correct person, to the correct direction. People make mistakes. It can, for example, call them, hello, are you Mr. X from this? You ordered that? Okay, can I revise with you or make sure that your information are correct and safe? Yes, sure. Are you from the street XX from LA? No, I am not. I've made a mistake. So this is where the checkout phone number field is very important to confirm the order and to correct false information and to keep yourself safe from frauds. And yeah guys, this is basically it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.